Good job. Good job. Good job. That's 3 from deep.
I know.
Get back there and do it again. Woo, 4. I don't think they understand how far this is. Go ahead. Oh, go over there and dunk it. Oh man. Now to go under the hoop and turn around and dunk it. That's not how you're supposed to do it. He didn't turn around.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go.